Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This one is part 2. I hope everyone is okay and well. Thank you for watching the other videos, commenting and subscribing, liking. Yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, I did say on the previous video that was interesting. This one is going to be even more interesting. Yes. So, to this job, I'm going to, that's in Accrington. So, that's the way I come into the place. So, we're just going through this houses. Through a tiny industrial estate. And then into the one that we need to go. So, yeah, you can see there's cars everywhere. I mean, traffic, that's normal. Yeah, that will be interesting to see where we're going. I hope you keep watching. After this video, I will post another short from a previous time I came in here. Now, I did struggle turning around at the yards. Yeah, you're going to be surprised. It is really tight. Really tight. So, yeah, we're just approaching to the road that we need. So, we're just going across in here. And you can see the road is already leaning cars both sides. So, you can see what I mean already. So, that's the unit that we're delivering. The gate is on the right. So I'm just going slow, making sure I avoid anything, the vans, cars, etc. Position myself to go in, so you can see the car park. It's already, you can see, you can imagine how easy it is. Look at the end. That's where we're being unloaded. And that's where we do the turns. It's not a lot of room. Believe me, it's not. On the phone, the camera, it looks different. So you're going to see me turning. So just position the camera outside, so you can see me doing the turn. On this day, I was lucky. I done it in one go, in reverse. Yeah. One go. Surprising. So you can see me using all the space available to me to get that turn. So reversing slowly, of course, as well, because you cannot see those skips. When you sit in that cabin and you reverse, you're thinking the skips will be is closer than you think. But you can see that from here. I'm well away from the skips, but in there on the cab, you think you are close by. You think you are inches away, but no. But you can see as well. I'm almost jackknifing the trailer. Yeah, so going slower. You know, don't go fast. When areas like this, yards like this, just go slow. Take your time. This is for the new drivers. Take your time, as I say. So we're ready to come out. So as you can see, the car park, it's not the greatest. It's doable. As I always say to the office, doable. So coming out, we need to avoid the cars and the gate. So if anyone's saying on the comments why you don't go right or straight ahead, we can't. There's bull lads at the top. We don't make the turns. Plus on that day there was that recovery. But still, I wouldn't go that way. You have to go left. In here, you have to use all the space available again. So you can see there's bull lads on the corners. It's to prevent HEVs to come into around this place. So yeah, it's only one way, left turn. So use all the space available again to get that turn. Get the trailer turning as well. So we avoid that van in there. If that van was not there, it would be easier to get out. I wouldn't go that slow. Believe me, I would have gone. So from me on end, it will be the same way I came in. There's nothing else new. So you did see coming in. So what I'll do, I'll just put some music and you can watch. I just want to say thank you for watching. Please comment, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. And thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ta!